Hello friends, welcome to our channel Developers Planet. In last video we discussed about the installation of Django and how to run a Django server. In this video I'm going to tell you how we can access the admin panel in Django, which is a built-in functionality provided by Django to us. So we have to run python manage.py run server. And we will go to 127.0.0. It is already opened here in browser. I hit the command, so Django is running fine. So how we access the admin panel? We just simply go to admin and hit enter. It comes to admin panel. Now we have not created username or password yet for our admin panel, so for that we need to create username and password. So let me stop this server right now. I have stopped it. Let me check whether it stopped or not. Yes, it is stopped. And how we can create the super user? So we need to create a super user for this admin. We will say python manage.py create super user. Yes, so before creating the super user, we should migrate tables. So if you remember, when we hit python manage.py run server, you may see this message. So we are getting this, you have 18 unapplied migrations. So we should make migration first, so that these tables admin or these tables should be created in our database, which is by default database. In our settings we have seen that SQLite 3 is used as by default database. So what we will do is we should make this migration first. So what are the commands for migration? Let me show you. So just to migrate this table, we will simply type python manage.py migrate. Very simple command. So yeah, it create these tables using this migration. Let's create a super user. Python manage.py create super user, and it is asking for username. I will say admin -user. Email address I am giving admin@admin.com, anything for now. Password I am keeping admin as my password. Again admin my password. Is saying it is too similar and short, but I want to keep it as it is. Let's run our server python manage.py run server. Yes, so now our server is running. Let's check. Yes, it is running. Let's go to admin, just type /admin in URL. Here we are. So our username is admin-user and the password is admin. Let's log in. Wow, so we are inside this Django admin. So we have not written any code till now. We have just created a super user from command line, and what we are getting the function is we can create users, we can change, we can group users and all. So let me do something here. I'm trying to add a user. Username Aman, password AMAN @123 AMAN @123, and let's save. So yes, here the user has been created successfully. We can add more information like first name, last name, email address, whether he is active or not, staff or he is a super user, and in which group we want to keep Aman, and what permissions we want to give. We can just simply choose the permission and we'll click on this arrow. These permission we have given to Aman, and some last login date. These things we can do. So let me save it. I have given permission. Let me create a group also. So the group is managers, and the permission I am giving them is can log, not change, only log. Auth can group, can add permission. So these are the things I'm giving permission to manager, and let me save it. So yeah, we have group managers. So yes, we have created a group managers, and we have users. So if I will click on users now, I'm getting admin user, Aman. So this admin I have already created, so that's why it is saying here, and admin user I just created in front of you, and Aman I just created. So these are the filter we can see by, by staff, by super user, and all this. So this, let's come to the home. So what we have done till now, we have created managers group, created Aman, and edited Aman and created Aman user. So this is the admin panel. So it is inbuilt, and we have not done any code. So it is very awesome feature of Django. It is not provided in Flask or some other applications. So that's why Django is so awesome. So let's see in next video about a CRUD operation, creating a website in our next videos. So see you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.